go. Here we go now. Nope. Woo! Okay, that was a bit intense. A bit intense. Why don't we use the dogs? I don't even know where that blood came from. Happy cows. Got one. That's a good one. And here we go, day 2. All right. Let her eat. Thank you. Alright, let's see how these girls do. This lot is a little easier to drive them because it's a true funnel lot. It's not as big as the other one yesterday, but we still got to get them started. Oh no, I'm going down there. Okay. If they just will stay together. Of course, we can't all get over here because they're going down in the part of the woods where you can't. I can't go very easily. I'll take the left flank. Come on, cows. There we go. Come on, ladies. Let's go. Woo! Woo! That's right. Get it. Come on. Here we go. Here we go now. Woohoo! Hey, hey, hey! Nope, nope, nope. Woo! Oh man, we were so close. We were so close. All right, this makes me want to go spend $100,000 on a few good cow horses. This is dumb. This is dumb. Oh, me. Used to do everything on horseback. There's a reason. Okay, take 2. At least they're all in a bunch. Kinda. Mostly. Look out! Let's go! Come on, ladies and babies. It's all about momentum, and when it stops, it's not good. All right, come on in, come on in, come on in. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Woo! Got it. Woo! Woo! I think that's all. I think that's all the babies too. Okay, that was a bit intense. A bit intense, but they're in. And it didn't take 5 hours today. It took like 20 minutes. And now my voice is hoarse. That's all right. We got them. Okay, well, that was half of it. We got them in this lot. Now we got to get them into the corral, but it's all right. It's going to happen. I'm trying. Come on, lady. Let's go. All right, we're going to get the rest of you. That's all right. Daddy can pick them up. Let's go, ladies. Let's get the majority in here. All right. Here we go. Here we go. They're coming up. All right. I'm going to let these by. Let her in. Let her in. Go, go, go. I'm being told to go, go, go. All right. We got them. We got them. They ain't getting by us now unless they jump in my face. All right.
Well, I had one.
Huh? I wish we had one. Yeah, this has been nice. Thank you, Harvey.
Yeah.
I just was telling him that I know some people are going to ask why we're not using the dogs. Why don't we use the dogs? You can just say it again.
Because with the calves, the mama cow just stand there and fight. Fight
Yeah.
the dog.
They don't work as good for us with calves as they would just cows. And he just said what I said earlier. We need 3 good cow horses, and they never would have turned around. So, we'll see. See about that.
Yes, sir.
Maybe that's our help on the way.
We got them in the lot.
It's Wally. Good timing.
All right.
Help is on the way. Huh? Yeah. Okay.
Look at what?
It's geese. A bunch of geese is flying over. We just watched a 58 Ford go by and it was pretty. Well, we're already about 2.5, 3 hours ahead. All right, sorting the mamas out so we can work them first. Always one. Just one left in there. Might have to go help. All right, first group is in. Yeah? That makes me happy. Oh my goodness! Feisty little girl. Oh, it's a bull. You said it was a heifer. It's a heifer, a bull in disguise. Numero uno. Welcome to the herd. Officially. For now. It was like running in place. Sorry, buddy. He's tagged, he's dewormed, he's banded, he is ready to go. Maybe. He just doesn't know. He's free. Come on, buddy.
What one?
What are you talking about? I don't even know where that blood came from. It came off his tail or something. Nice. Oh no. You got the bottom of it, I see. Who knows? Alrighty. Go find your mama. Find your mama. All done. All did. Okay, now everything's going out. Going out to pasture. It's warm today, y'all. It's supposed to be in the mid-80s. Yeah. You know those memories that come up on your photos sometimes? Well, today, exactly 3 years ago today, we were doing the same thing, and I'm going to have to show you the pictures. I'm making the kids recreate them. I'm going to do that. Hold on. Y'all, look at our babies. Oh my gosh. Time. Slow down. Please. Maybe you won't turn us over.
Going up the big hill, you're going to have to lean forward a lot.
I'm gonna have to get off.
Lean forward.
We're eating dust here. Grass, grass, beautiful grass. Y'all ought to be happy. Happy cows.
Go down.
Happy calves. Well, we finished working cows, and somehow we've ended up at the lake. Again. Well, the lake for the first time. I haven't been to the lake this year. Lawrence wanted to go fishing, so Wally said, yeah, let's go. And Thumper and Wendy are supposed to be out here. And maybe we're going to find some crappies. We'll see. I believe at least 90% of the county is also out here today. Got one, got one. Got something. I'd say. You got a bass? You caught a bass.
Yeah, I don't know anymore. Else before it's at the end of the line.
Good job. Good job. Have you ever caught a bass? You don't know? I don't think you have.
minnow.
With a minnow. That's a pretty bass, isn't it? How big do they have to be to keep?
He can keep 2 inside.
Oh, okay. Got something else? Yeah, you do. What's that little buddy? Is that another bass? A small crappie. Well, there we go. Another one. What's this one? Ooh, that one looks bigger. Is that a crappie?
Hold on. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up.
What is it?
He's eatable.
Yeah, that's a good size one. All right, sis. Whoop. Thanks, Wally. Wally handed me the rod. He threw it out there. He handed it to me immediately. Got one. That's a good one. We both got good ones. All right. We keep this up. We might have enough to make a mess for supper.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. He's got to be to there?
No, 9 inches.
Oh, 9. He's more than 9. Okay.
Just open it. Come out.
Open it up. Oh, we're just putting him over here. Get in there with your buddy. Oh. They're teasing you. It's teasing you. Come on, Crappie. It's just playing. It's going under. Coming back up. Gosh. You just lost it again? Oh, and he did it. He took your bait. All right, Wes finally got one. If he can get it in, I might have jinxed him. Hopefully not. What we got? What we got? What we got? Good. Oh, a bass. All righty. Well, still a fish. Say at least you say you caught one today. There they are. We found them. They found us.
That rod working pretty good with.
Well, you just caught that one so fast, I don't even know what happened. I think you just pulled it out. You didn't even reel it in.
No, it's a shell cracker.
It was like boom, boom. Oh, what?
It's called a shell cracker.
It's called a shell cracker. It looks like a croaker with that black spot on it. I mean, I know it's not, obviously. Wally just got a nice one. Nice and a nice one. So we bought Ollie's out of Zebco's. Seems like. I'm serious.
This
How many did we get?
This was all the 33s they had.
We get like 6 rods?
4 33s, 2 of the open-faced ones, and then 2 catfish rods.
Oh my goodness. So, y'all, yeah. I mean, it's Ollie's, you know. Good stuff cheap. That's what they say. We'll see. Well, we have found the good crappie hole. Is that like an oxymoron? The good crappie hole?
Stop.
They are, huh?
Stop turning up.
Oh. They're piling up. We've got at least 10 or 12 in here, I think. Right? Here we do.
10 or 12?
Yeah. I think we got 10. Yeah, it's filling up. Good deal. How many times have you had to cut that string
More
today?
than 20.
More than 20? I don't think it's been 20, but it's been a few. He's become a professional at redoing his, at cutting and redoing his jigs, and however you want to call that. Whatever you call that. I know my phone's gonna, I was gonna say crap out. That's a bad pun. My phone's gonna die here in a second. So, anyway, they're down there. It's a pretty evening. And we will catch you next time.
That was
See what I did there?
Mm-hmm.
That was good, wasn't it?
That was okay.
That was okay.